Welcome back, stylers. Thank you for joining me. Today, in my final fall episode for 2020, I believe I have saved my best decor idea for fall for last. In particular, it's an idea I have for a room that most people don't think of to decorate for fall. Let's take a look. Well, this is definitely a first here at RJ's HomeStyle. I have designed and crafted decor pieces that I have absolutely no use for and positively no interest in, and that is something for a baby. You're probably wondering, then why did you do it? Well, when you're reading social media, you see comments, you see questions, and sometimes you try to be helpful if you can. And I kept seeing this comment or question, as you often do, where people are looking for ideas for a baby shower. And since this was fall, everything just kind of, or not fall, since fall is coming up, everything just kind of started meshing creatively in my mind, and that's how I came up with this idea. For fall, it is simply these metallic pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, to which I have painted in these pastel colors that are reminiscent of a baby. I then had the thought of the game Peek-a-Boo, and using vinyl lettering, I have placed that on the pumpkins, as you can see. And so it fits with fall, it fits with the baby, and it fits with Halloween as well. And I don't know what goes on at baby showers, but perhaps this type of decor item could be used on tables, or however you ladies or gentlemen set those things up. But also these could be used during the fall in a nursery. I think they would be great addition to that room as well. Now, if you do not have a vinyl cutter and you can't apply vinyl lettering, I have tested and tried out these sticky stickers from the Dollar Tree. And what I mean by I've already tested them for you is that I made sure that the size of these letters would allow you to spell out Peek-a-Boo in the allowed space provided on the pumpkin. So see, there you have it. Two ways you can do it. If you have a vinyl cutter, you can do it with vinyl lettering, or you can use the sticky stickers from the Dollar Tree. And say, that's just something that I go that little extra mile, because absolutely no use for this, no interest in this, but I've made sure you all have two ways of creating this decor. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.